Hello and welcome back to SEO Science. Search engine optimization has become a cornerstone of digital marketing, offering businesses the opportunity to increase their visibility, attracting organic traffic, and ultimately increase revenue. In this video, we are going to delve into the intricacies of how businesses can leverage SEO to make £1 million or more on Google. While achieving this ambitious goal is not guaranteed, a well-executed SEO strategy can significantly enhance a business's online presence, lead generation, and conversion rates, paving the way for substantial financial gains. Understanding the value of SEO. Before diving into the specifics on making £1 million plus using SEO on Google, it's essential to understand why SEO is so valuable to businesses. Organic traffic. SEO is primarily about improving a website's rankings in search engine result pages. By achieving higher rankings, businesses can tap into a consistent stream of organic traffic from users actively searching for their products or services. Cost effective. Compared to other digital marketing strategies like paid advertising, SEO offers a cost-effective way to reach a targeted audience. It provides a long-term return on investment as it doesn't involve going into ad spend. Credibility and trust. Websites that rank highly on Google are often perceived as more credible or trustworthy to users. High-ranking pages are seen as authorities in their respective industries, which can lead to increased conversion rates. Competitive advantage. In highly competitive markets, SEO can be a game changer. Outranking competitors can result in a higher market share and better revenue opportunities. Building a solid SEO strategy. Achieving the £1 million plus mark through SEO requires a comprehensive and well-structured strategy. And here's how businesses can go about it. Keyword research. Start by identifying the keywords and phrases that your audience are searching for. Utilize keyword research tools to discover high volume and low competitive keywords. On-page optimization. Ensure that your website's on-page elements, such as titles, meta descriptions, headers, and content, are optimized for the chosen keywords. This ensures that search engines can easily understand your content's relevance. Content creation. Develop high quality, valuable and relevant content that satisfies user intent. Regularly update your website with fresh, informative and engaging content that keeps users coming back. Technical SEO. Address technical aspects of your website, including site speed, mobile friendliness, and schema markup. These factors can impact your rankings significantly. Link building. Build high-quality backlinks from authoritative websites in your industry. Quality over quantity is crucial in modern SEO. User experience and mobile optimization. Ensure that your website is user-friendly and responsive on all devices. Google considers mobile friendliness as a crucial ranking factor. Analytics and monitoring. Implement tracking tools like Google Analytics to monitor your website's performance, user behavior, and keyword rankings. Regularly analyze this data to make data-driven improvements. Local SEO for brick and mortar businesses. For businesses with physical locations, local SEO plays a vital role in attracting nearby customers. Local SEO tactics include optimizing Google My Business listings, acquiring customer reviews, and creating location-specific content. E-commerce SEO strategies. E-commerce businesses can benefit from specialized SEO tactics, such as optimizing product pages, implementing structured data for rich snippets, and streamlining the checkout process to reduce cart abandonment rates. Content marketing and SEO synergy. Combining content marketing with SEO can yield remarkable results. Creating high quality, SEO optimized content that addresses user needs can attract traffic, build trust and drive conversions. The role of social media. Social media can complement SEO efforts by driving traffic, enhancing brand visibility, and facilitate content sharing. Creating a cohesive online presence across various channels can reinforce your SEO strategy. Continuous adaptation. The digital landscape is continually evolving. With search engine algorithms changing constantly, businesses must adapt their SEO strategies to stay competitive. Staying informed about industry trends and algorithm updates is crucial. Measuring success. To reach the £1 million plus milestone, businesses must set clear, measurable goals and track progress. Key performance indicators may include organic traffic growth, keyword rankings, conversion rates, and revenue generated through organic search. Conclusion. Making £1 million or more with SEO on Google is a challenging yet surprisingly achievable goal. By understanding the value of SEO, building a comprehensive strategy, and staying adaptable, businesses can harness the power of organic search traffic to drive substantial revenue growth. However, success in SEO requires time, effort, and expertise. Investing in SEO can be a profitable endeavor, but it's essential to approach it with a long-term perspective and commitment to delivering exceptional value to your target audience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any further videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.